Hey there, welcome to the Gang Sheet Builder tutorial. Now let's dive in. From our website's main menu, click DTF Transfers and then select DTF Gang Sheet Builder to get started. Select a sheet length up to 240 inches based on how many designs you have. Then click the button to open the Gang Sheet Builder and start arranging your designs. From the Welcome panel, you can start a new gang sheet, open a previous gang sheet, or use the Auto Build feature. Since this is a beginner's tutorial, we'll start fresh with a new gang sheet. On the left panel, you'll also see options to check your previously uploaded images, pick something from our gallery, or even connect your Canva account. You can upload your images from the Upload panel and click to add them to the canvas. The more you click on Design, the more copies of your design will appear. Now you can resize your design by dragging the corner dots or using the left panel. Check quality with the resolution chart on the left. Duplicate a design from the left panel or set the quantity you need. Or simply drag and move designs around freely. From the top toolbar, you can also adjust your gang sheet size or quantity. Align, center or stretch your designs. Rotate them by 90 degrees. Delete a design if you no longer need it. That's the manual way of creating a gang sheet. If arranging designs one by one feels too time-consuming, you can let the system do it for you. Click the Auto Build button at the bottom left. Set the size of your designs. Choose the quantity you want. Need multiple sizes of the same design? Just click Duplicate and adjust them. When you're ready, hit Apply and let the system work its magic. If everything looks good, click Save and Add to Cart to finish. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily create your own gang sheet in Skyprint House. See you in the next tutorial, and happy designing!